Hey everyone! If you followed my previous tutorial to install n8n and you've been asked to update, this video is for you. I'll quickly show you how to update n8n using that same setup. It's a short and simple process, so let's get started. The first thing you should do is back up your data. The simplest way is to open each of your workflows. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Download. This will save a copy of each workflow safely on your computer. Next, open a new tab and go to your Portainer dashboard. Select Local. Then click on Containers. Find your n8n container, click on it, and choose Recreate. When the warning appears, enable Repool Image, then click Recreate. This will start installing the updated version of n8n. It can take a little time, so just be patient and wait for it to finish. The installation is still in progress as long as the blue circle keeps turning. Once it stops, the update is complete. And that's it. The container has been successfully recreated. Now let's refresh the page and watch that previous alert message disappear. The message disappeared, which means the update was successful. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.